All right, today we're going to learn the window method for multiplication. Some background information. You need to know your facts. It really helps if you know your multiplication facts, or have a strategy, but it's more time consuming of making a T-chart or an array or whatever trick you may have, and knowing the zero trick for multiplication, which we will cover quickly in this. So the window method, many students love it, but most parents have never seen it before, and a lot of upper grade teachers are not familiar with it either. So it doesn't have a whole lot of favor at the upper grades, but the students seem to love it. So here we're going to take 47 times 52, and we're going to draw what will look similar to a window. All right. And then we break apart each of these, kind of like we did in a break apart method. So 47, we're going to break into 40 and 7. And 52, we're going to break into 50 and 2. And now it's kind of like, coordinate grid or graphing type of thing, where we're going to fill this box in with 40 times 50. So 40 times 50. We start with the base fact of 5 times 4, which would be 20. And then the 2 zeros are placeholders, so that would turn it to 2,000. We've just put those on. However many zeros, we put those on. So now for this one, what I like to do, I like to go over. Okay, I'm going to multiply 40. I come back to it by 2. So this is going to be 40 times 2. I start with the base fact of 2 times 4, and that will give me 8. And then I put the 0 on, okay, because that was 40, okay? It's holding the place value there. So now I come to this box. I go up, okay, I'm going to multiply 50 by something, and I go all the way up. I don't go to the 2,000, and I go over to the 7. So I'm going to start with my base fact of 5 times 7. And that will be 35, and then my placeholder is 0. Okay, so 50 times 7 is 350, and then I come over to this box. I go all the way up. Okay, I'm going to multiply 2 by, I go all the way over 7. 2 times 7 is 14. And then I take all those numbers, so I take the 2,000. Okay, and I like to go from the largest number to the smallest. It's important that we line up our place values though, because if you notice, the 0 here, that's in the ones place, so I want them to line up. The tens place, the hundreds place, and 2 is the only digit in the thousands place. So then I come to 80. Okay, I put the 8 in the tens place, the 0 in the ones place, I come to 14, the 1 in the tens place, the 4 in the ones place, and I add those up. Okay, start over here in the ones place, so that'd be 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 more is 14. So I put the 4, then I carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, and then 2, nothing. So 47 times 52 is 2,444. All right, and we'll go through another one a little quicker. Example 2 will be 49 times 65. Okay, and again, I will draw my window. Okay, and I will break apart the 49, 40 and 9, 60 and 5. Start here, 60 times 40, base fact of 6 times 4 is going to be 24, and then my 2 zeros. Okay, then come over here, base fact, or 5 times 40, base fact of 5 times 4. So that'll be 20, and then put the 0 on from right there. And then I come here, 60 times 9 base fact of 9 and 6. So that'll be 54 with a 0, 540. And then here, 5 times 9, 45. And I take those 4 digits and I add those up. 2,400, making sure I line them up with their proper place values. Oh, a little sloppy there on the 5. Okay, 5, 8, okay, 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11. Okay, carry my 1. Okay, so that would be 3,000, put that comma in, 185. Okay, I'm just going to fix that a little bit here real quick. Still pretty new on this Wacom tablet. So 3,185, and it breaks it down. It helps to keep everything nice and organized for the student when they're adding, with the boxes, helps them fill it in. They need to make sure though that they keep their place values lined up when they go to add. That's definitely a key trick, and that is how you multiply using the window method.